Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit furniture families in Revit. For construction documents in Revit, furniture can be mainly categorized into two main areas. One is a product, which includes custom furniture and manufacture-made furniture, and the other is a contractor or a carpenter-made built-in furniture or millwork. We typically use Place Components, a Revit family, for custom furniture and manufacture-made furniture because it will be used multiple times. It includes millwork like Revit countertop, shelf, cabinets, and so on. We typically use Model in Place for contractor-made built-in furniture or millwork because it will be used only once for the specific space only. First, Revit furniture using Place Components. Step 1. Open a floor plan, Level 1 view from Project Browser. Step 2. You may change the scale of the view because we changed the drawing scale to fit on an 11 inches by 17 inches sheet. I changed the drawing scale from 3/32 inches to 3/16 inches. Step 3. Click Components, CM, from Architecture tab. Step 4. You will find Furniture, or any components, lighting fixture, plumbing, casework, sink, appliances, plants, from Properties palette that you want to put in the floor plan. If you do not find the furniture from the panel, you must click Load Family from the Modify/Place Component tab and find the furniture family you want to add from the Library folder or the websites from Session 14. Tips. For your floor plan, you do not need to find the exact furniture that you want to use. You may use the Revit furniture family for your floor plan as a placeholder. Do not waste time to add all objects, like books, decorative pieces for perspectives, that are not showing on your floor plan. For your perspective views and renderings, you would be better to find the most accurate Revit family file. If you cannot find the Revit family file, find the SketchUp file and use it for your rendering. Step 5. Place the furniture families on your floor plan. Make sure the level is what you want. Step 6. Use spacebar on your keyboard to rotate the family. To move, rotate, align, copy, mirror the furniture, click the furniture that you want to move, rotate, and then click Align, AL, Copy, Co, or Mirror, MM, from Modify/Furniture tab. Step 7. Also, you can use Align Dimension, DI, from the Annotation tab. Complete all furniture placement. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to add and edit furniture families in Revit. Thank you.